The story of Grassy in the Ruminant Digestive System.
Meet Grassy, our adventurous blade of grass about to embark on a journey through a cow's digestive system. Grassy's journey starts in the mouth, where he's chewed and mixed with saliva to begin breaking down.
Grassy now heads down the esophagus and into the cow's first stomach chamber. The rumen! In this massive fermentation chamber, bacteria and microbes help break down Grassy's tough cellulose. Now, Grassy moves to the reticulum. Here, particles are separated and larger pieces go back to the mouth for more chewing cud.
Next stop, the omasum. Water is absorbed here, and Grassy's nutrients are condensed.
This is the abomasum. In the abomasum, enzymes fully digest Grassy, breaking down proteins and preparing nutrients for absorption. In the small intestine, Grassy's nutrients enter the bloodstream, fueling the cow's body.
I know this is nasty, but feces are formed as well. Now, as our journey comes to an end, Grassy's leftover particles pass through the large intestine and are expelled as waste. And that, my friends, is the journey of the ruminant digestive system.
Journey complete!